Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how I cleaned and decorated my master bathroom. So if you're interested, let's get started. Okay guys, so I like to start cleaning from the top to the bottom. And here my husband is dusting along the ceiling. He's dusting all the trim, the vents, and the pot lights. So next I'm dusting all 3 lights over 2 sinks and a vanity table. And I'm also dusting the light bulbs. I also cleaned the ceiling light, and I just used the glass and surface cleaner from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so next I'm going to clean both glass sinks with baking soda and water. And then I will dry with a paper towel. Okay, so next I'm cleaning all 3 of my countertops with Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner, and then I will follow up and polish the countertops with Caldrea countertop cleaner. And I do apologize about the lights, the glare. Okay, so here I have 4 mirrors that I clean in the bathroom. And then here I'm cleaning all 3 cabinets, and I'm using Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner. And don't forget about the doors, guys. Now over here by the tub, I will clean all the tile and all around the tub deck. And since this is a man-eating tub, my son will clean the tub. And then I will follow up with cleaning the jets with a vinegar and bleach solution. Okay guys, so I'm not sure what happened to the footage cleaning the shower, but I used scrubbing bubbles, and then I followed up with Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile cleaner. Okay, so finally I'm finished, and I mopped the floors with Swiffer's dry cloths and then mopping the mopping cloths. And whew, I'm tired. Are you guys tired? Okay guys, let's decorate.